What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you 5 great things about OnePlus 7. The OnePlus 7 Pro is one of the best smartphones which are available right now. Starting with the good stuff, the first thing is display. This is one of the best features of OnePlus 7 Pro. No other phone provides such a display. OnePlus added AMOLED display, no notch, minimal bezel, and the one most important 90Hz refresh rate. I personally like Samsung display, but seeing the OnePlus display with 90Hz refresh rate seems awesome. Next is software. As it uses Oxygen OS, which provides better stock Android experience in it, and it is loved by many people. And some more features which I wish Android should have added in their stock Android. The OnePlus 7 Pro is running Android 9 Pie inside, and its Oxygen OS is well optimized with the hardware. There are many tweaks and customization in it which user can use according to their own liking, like scrolling screenshot, the baked-in the screen recording, theming, and accent colored navigation buttons and gestures provided solid, clean, and easy to use experience. At number 3, we are talking about the rapid charger. It is very fast. It can charge the 4000 mAh battery in just half an hour thanks to its 30 watt of fast charger, and that is great if you don't have the time to charge the phone, and 20-minute charge will get you a few good hours of use. And second last thing, a look at the fingerprint scanner. It is nice and upgraded from the last year model. It is large, fast, accurate, and better overall. It is not totally perfect, but it got better over time and it became a nice feature of the phone. On last is the price, which is pretty much everyone thinking I talked about. A phone can be tied into a price starting at $670. The 7 Pro offers a quite a bit. Even which the other expensive smartphone don't have these kind of features. It has top of the line specification to its gorgeous display and awesome software, which may start you to think in the $1000 phone which you are planning to buy. So that's all for the 5 best things of OnePlus 7 Pro. This is a great phone. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe TANSAFTECH if you are new here, and drop a comment below what your thoughts are for 7 Plus Pro. That is it from me. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.